Doing a review of the steam mop. Got a steam mop here. It's the user manual. And there's several attachments here for everything. There's long, short nozzle, bent nozzle, nylon brush, metal brush, window cleaning, floor cloth, garment cloth, carpet glider. So a lot of different options there. But it looks like it's a pretty simple setup. I've already put the water in here. This is the water reservoir for it, and it just clips off of there. I already put it in, but it clips off. And as you can see at the top there, there's a plug that you'll just take the plug out and put the water in. So I've put that in already, and it just clips right back on there. And it's real easy to put together, actually. There's several rods that clip together, and they are universal, so they all are the same. So it doesn't matter which one you clip first, but those clip together, and then you clip on the attachment at the bottom, which I've already done the mop attachment for it, but I'll take it off just so you can see how that does. Just clips back on there. So I'm going to clip this back on. I've got the mop head on there. On this one, it's got the steamer underneath, and you just basically put it over that, and it steams when you plug it up. So we're going to take it in here and see how this thing works out. Okay, I've got it plugged up, and as you can see at the top there, it's a light blinking, and there's a power button. I haven't turned it on yet, but it's on red, which means that it's not on. So let's turn it on, and I automatically hear something happening on there. I think you press it 2 times, you can put extra power. So I'm going to do the extra power option and see how much steam we can get coming out of this thing. So here, yeah, it's already working. Y'all see that? I think this is going to be my new favorite tool for cleaning. Deep cleaning my floor with the steam mop. And see how beautiful that is, making my floors look. So yeah, I think this is definitely a winner. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the cleaning of my whole floor, but as y'all can see, this thing works quite well. And you can turn it down. It's got 2 green lights showing it's on higher power. It's off, that's on lower power. So this lower steam. Let's do this side with the lower steam real quick. And it said for best results to make sure that you sweep first, which is always recommended before doing any kind of mopping anyway. So that's not a surprise. like how you can get right up against the edges there. And the water hasn't gone down. I think one of the best things I like about this is the fact that you don't need any actually cleaning solvents. This is all water and it's just steaming. So yeah, wonderful. I give this 5 stars for sure.
That he was right for him to be subordinate, to rub his feet, surface sexual needs, and cooking. Now, constantly places, and Alice kissed him, yet John Cage never lifted a finger to curtail any of it. Who does that leave for friendship? Yeah.
I love you more.
Pueden ver todos los accesorios que trae. Es su bolsita para guardarlos. Tiene varios conectores, varios cepillitos, varias motas. La aspiradora. Se ve de buena calidad.
So this is a friend's shower, and this corner I have already steamed off the soap scum here, and they thought the tile had just become worn and discolored. But here it is, melting away with this amazing steamer, and it turns out only to be soap scum and the oils from the bottom of our feet. And I am using the metal brush attachment to clean it off, and it really is pretty remarkable. say the least. I am a very satisfied customer.
You can see from this steam cleaner that the cord is very impressive. That was one of the things I kind of worried about and wondering, you know, like when you want to get to far-reaching things and you need an outlet and you don't want to have to get an extension cord. So it's really a great thing. Very simple to put together. You can see the 3 extensions here. You can take them off easily. So overall, it's a great product. Works good.
This ScrubWiz Steam Mop Cleaner is the best multi-purpose cleaner I have ever used. Look how it glides on porcelain floors. It even comes with a carpet attachment. It comes with a red scrubber. It comes with a nylon scrubber.
Go.